Hey y'all, we're gonna be doing a real quick install with Ashart hair company. They sent me an 18-inch curly wig, Kiki curly, with a wig cap and some lashes. Cute. So yeah, this is me showing y'all the wig. It's 18 inches. It's kinky curly, 13x4. You know, you got your wood combs. That's the makeup I use because I do not bleach my knot.
We do the ball cap method because just too much. I could finesse this wig without plucking it and without doing the ball cap method and without bleaching the knot. Then I'm gonna put this around my neck first, so that way when it's time for me to put the thing on, all I gotta do is go up. Two layers this thing. So now it's time for my real truth. Let me do it in the mirror. Let me do it. Heaven. It just wasn't tight enough. So now I got this elastic band. We're gonna see what's happening. We're gonna see what's happening. This wig is big head friendly. Yeah. We gonna fix it though. We're gonna fix it onto baby hairs. Yeah. This is called you can read. Yeah, okay. I feel like I should pull up the front a little bit, but the thing is I don't want the lace to start lifting. But the point of this video was to try to make it look as flawless as possible without having to pluck anything. But that doesn't look like that's happening. So we're just gonna pluck a little bit. Just a little bit. Hold on, let me look in the round. It's really basically almost plucked. Don't look at that. Don't look at it. But yeah, it's basically almost, not even almost, it's just pretty much plucked. I'm gonna go ahead and try to style this, but it's okay. It's not bad. It's okay. I'm trying to figure out what style I want to do. I really want to do like a slick back type of thing, but then again I want to do like a half up, half down. Then again I want to do like 2 ponytails, but I don't have my scrunchies, my colorful scrunchies with me. And then again I want to do a side part, not the middle part. Middle part is boring. I want to do something. I decided to go with 2 buns, so I don't know if I'm gonna stop right here because my arm is tired, or continue to make the bun. I just might. I'm talking about I just might as I'm doing it. I just need some pins. And I said I just might because I don't feel like getting the pins. But if I could just wrap a piece of hair around it, I won't have to go nowhere. So let me get one of these pieces of hers. I didn't brush out the curls because for what? Yeah. That's the end. By the way, this hair, I don't know if it's because I plucked it and I didn't really brush out the hair when I plucked it, but I am getting some strands. But before I plucked it and I was running my hands through it, I wasn't really getting no strands. Anyways, I have my water here, but I really don't feel like doing anything extra. I leave that up to y'all, or I just might show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all because I'm a nice person.